I'm in movie mode. Oh wait,
is it the top first, Adam?
You want me to run it like Harrison Ford, like you?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Water's in here together.
Cut. Don't say that in front of Justin. He doesn't like mine.
Yeah, but it works.
Well, see, Michael Bay's makes
Action. See, just like that.
Oh,
that's all I'm looking for. So you cut that in with the other one.
skateboard wheels.
Good enough. From here to here, so it'd start just like with these weeds, and you'd see it like close, so you can't really tell what you're leading. You just see a tire and weeds, tire, and then you. It's only breaking a little. I'm rolling, da 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 da. Now.
It would be cool if you just touch it.
Go! How did it look?
Action! Yeah, see, it looks good.
And it's never going to be this close to the camera.
No, well, it looks good. Even as yours.
Let's quick start it off. What's that one? No, actually, they're just doing a cell phone.
Are you in the vehicle? Sorry. Just jump in.
No, the other way.
Oh, yeah, turn it over.
Yeah. That's upright. Facing him, but kind of like
Yes. Keep it in your left hand. Just take the bottle out with your
Kyle,
right.
I know where you sleep.
Jam it in there. I'm trying to make some time to move down.
Make the movements a little bit more theatrical.
It's because we're
Yeah.
man.
Do that. That's good.
I'm not used to.
I'm gonna start filming now.
All right. Do you need us to shut the hell up?
I need the leaf blower.
Okay.
This.
Yeah. Oh, that's true.
What kind of prima donna watch?
Jason gave me a white cloth. What am I gonna do?
Okay.
Good.
You don't think of him as human.
It really is.
Summertime. That's what this young quintet is all about.
You cut the wheel like that, and make it look like you're really, like you're really like
To his right or to his left?
Summer. They'll also
Yeah.
take
good.
Oh, Cookie Monster!
Or maybe Justin can just do this shot.
Oh,
Yeah, this will work much better.
Okay, so.
All right. So where do you want me shooting from?
You know, garbage in, garbage out.
You know, it'll be really funny is if while we're doing this shot, like a dragonfly comes and goes.
Just land. I'm maneuvering the car up behind the pickup so I can jump onto it.
Do you want me to put some movement into the
Yeah, I
camera?
was gonna say he should move a little like you're.
Yeah, and a little bit of shake. I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna reach down like I'm turning on the autopilot switch.
The second one's a lot better.
I do like the rocket chair. I don't know what the hell he's talking about.
I like it!
So yeah, we're gonna do the same thing from that angle and then this angle. Actually, I don't know. You've got 28 shots. No, wait, there's more than that, I know. You've got 40 shots in total.
And we've only got 6. We're only on shot 6.
Yeah, but we're just getting started with like this should move faster now.
Okay. Well,
It's because of this stuff.
So how much until the car's needed again?
Like everything.
Okay, so I'll put it in the shop so it's not all hot.
That's exciting. Whoa! Bees. Bee just came up from out of nowhere. You're gonna get stripped through.
Okay, Adam, you just keep looking back like you're looking for me.
Yeah.
You don't even move. Climb around to the back.
I might put a footprint here.
That's fine.
Be careful, Adam, because there's nothing to
Whose
grab
water is
over
this
here,
right here?
unless you put your hand down here.
Whose water was this right here?
I think that's going to be great.
I think that's yours.
It's
Yeah, I think
not
mine-
very easy,
mine
huh?
No.
I just wanted to
Let me
make
try
sure.
the
I
other
think
one.
you just open the door.
He was barely getting hit with the wind. One more time. Rolling. And then see,
That was really close.
but it was close. But it looked like you were like here. Yeah, don't go for the chin. Go for like the goggles.
Here somewhere, in between me and the camera, so right in here.
Punch him in the nose. Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I want you. That's how.
I had to be on the other side.
What did that look like?
We might not need to, dude. Yeah.
Man, everybody see my little book?
Oh, yeah.
It's a very important book.
No, I'm
That sort of book
I just
goes
said there's
great
nothing
with a fine malt liquor
on the
beverage
joint.
and a CD.
cleansing.
Clyde, are you alright?
Yeah.
Just having that. Whoa!
Twice with this one up high, and then low like that. It's this one. This is your good arm, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You just hit me straight on with that, and then I'm gonna come back, and you're just blocking it. Okay? Yeah, just kind of go like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Be sure to go side to side to look like your vehicle is trying to track with them.
And I want like this with both arms, and then you can kick me here, down to my knees, and then you're gonna kick me here.
Yeah, then
And I'll go.
water bottle.
Oh, water bottle.
Okay.
That was good. I'm actually bad. All you have to do is flip it over. If you just flip it upside down, that's all you have to do. Okay.
On this, because yeah, we'd already be backwards. Okay, this may have a weird canted angle to it, just because I can't.
That's cool.
I either have to hold it like this, which I can't get it out as far, or give it a cant, and then I can do that.
That makes it scary.
Let's give it a whirl. think we're all ready. John's blocking the road. This is the problem with making movies. It's the directors and actors, possibly camera. I do. Are we gonna do it again? Yeah.
Hey, that was awesome.
Yeah. We're gonna do it again on the way back. We're good. Awesome.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like Mad Max.
Yeah. We need him. Obviously, he's going to be swerving.
But not super close. I mean, it's just a movie like that.
So we'll be close on him. Then he's going to accelerate away, and we'll just maintain speed. And then I'll say catch up. Yeah. Okay. We're good to go.
Cody, you're going to be on the left side of the road, okay? Okay. I like how you lost traction there.
It keeps getting more and more fun.
This time, we need to be backwards, like not going backwards.
Right, but
Be on
start
this
on the
side.
left side.
This way, this way.
So right, left, right.
That way and stay over there.
So that's
it?
Yeah.
Everything is the same?
Everything's the same.
Okay.
Ben's gonna be with us.
Oh, okay.
With me.
So yeah, just 2 cars.
Wow. It looks... Just get in the road, and we're gonna frame up where the auburn needs to be. Kind of get in the road.
And tell him no swerving or anything.
Yeah. All right, cool. And this is
John Soares, a man of his own
the
stunts.
auburn's over here.
John Soares' less beautiful stuff.
All right, yeah. Hey, just don't worry about it.
So John jumped off the truck at 35.
Hey, when you got, well, he was being dragged at 30.
You just saw
When
that
he's in
people
position,
know.
tell me action.
Okay. That was great. I wasn't very chaotic though. I had everything like a really steady shot. Is that okay? That's fine. It looked really cool. Dude, there was nobody in the vehicle. It was amazing. Whoa! Alright, well then I'll wait till you guys are done. What's up? Oh. On the shot list. Okay. This is the shot of dirt road before the swerve. Yeah. What's the jitney on the bumper? Are we going to shoot that?
We already did that. We just did that.
We did. Okay. And then truck swerves onto the dirt. That's what we're going to shoot in a minute. If you actually
We're
do
going
it.
to do a whole bunch of shots of that right now. Starting with this.
Okay. Alright.
Now it's coming.
Just kind of do it.
Yeah, tell me to run if I have to, or we'll just jump in the water. We gotta throw the cameras that way. Jump in the water.
If you took a step back, maybe, like right there. If he's coming in here, you're screwed.
Have you seen the pebbles here? Do you want to do it here? Or do you
This looks better.
Yeah, that's what Justin's thinking. It's not going to be as wide, but I think you can drive on the grass. We're going to do the drag here.
I'm going to shut this off for the moment.
Now believe I got a whole road to protest the man. We refuse to bury our animals.
That water, you don't use that water for drinking. No, we swim in it, the kids, play around in it. But you throw your dog in.
Swimming.
So,
Next shot, John.
we can, I want to get this on sort of one side of the road.
Stay a little bit farther back.
I saw that coming.
Oh.
I'm fine. My pants aren't.
Here, okay.
What does that look like?
Awesome.
Maybe we should have put pads on top.
Yeah, but that's like...
Oh, we get.
If we, I should have brought duct tape. Duct tape.
Right, just when he hits the ground, it automatically looks faster. Here it goes. Watch. Your hands okay?
Yeah.
Just big a little bit.